Hi guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So the next interview question, it may ask you what is the method reference in Java? What is the method reference in Java, guys? So this method reference feature in Java provide from Java 8, guys. Provide from Java 8. Okay, this feature introduced in Java 8, guys. So there are three types of method reference: reference to a static method, reference to an instance method, reference to a constructor, guys. Okay, so we will see. Okay, we will discuss one by one, guys. So now, what is the use of method reference? Method reference is used to refer method of functional interface. Method reference is used to refer method of functional interface, guys, and it is a compact and easy form of lambda expression. So we can refer method, we can refer any class method, okay, for functional interface, guys. Okay, so how? Let's see with one example. Like, let's say I have one interface. My interface, okay, and my interface is a functional interface. We will say functional interface. Okay, so functional, my interface is a functional interface, guys, because this method, because this interface going to contain only one method, so hence we will say this is the functional interface. And now then suppose we have two classes, like class a111 going to contain two static method, show one method and show two method. You can see, guys, show one method going to print I am in show one of a111, show two method going to print I am in show two of a111, guys. Then we have class b111, okay, and b111 again going to contain two static method. So show one method going to print I am in show one of b111, and show two method going to print I am in show two of b111, guys. So we can refer this method. We can refer this method, either this one or this one, guys. So how we can refer? So like we will say my interface, okay, m1, okay, is equals to my interface, colon and the method name, guys. So we can refer which method. We will say, what we will say, guys, we will say a111 because we want to refer a111 method. So a111, which method we want to refer? Either we can refer show one or show two method, guys. So as soon as we call m1 dot show, okay, so now this method will get execute, guys. Okay, this method will get execute. Now you will see, guys, you will see I am in show one of a111. Suppose we refer show two method of which class, okay, a111 class, show two method. Now you will see, guys, okay, I am in show two of a111. Suppose we refer, okay, we refer b111 show two method. So now run file. You will see, guys, I am in show two of b111. Okay, and even suppose we refer show one, so we will get the different one result, guys. So this is called method reference, and the method reference we can use, okay, colon operator. We can use by using colon operator, double colon operator we can use to refer method, guys. Okay, so this is the feature, okay, provided from Java 8, guys. Got it, guys? So this is all about method reference, and we refer, okay, which method? Static method, guys. Okay, so in the next question we can, okay, in the next question we will discuss how to refer instance method, guys. How to refer instance method. Got it, guys? So this is all about method reference in Java, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you.